Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to apply a lace front using the bald cap or the stocking cap method. I didn't record everything that I was doing, but here's some of what I recorded. I already have the stocking cap on my head and I'm just using the Got To Be Freeze Blast spray, I think it's called. I'm spraying that across the stocking cap. The next step apparently is to blow dry the hairspray or the Got To Be glue spray to make sure that it is dry before you start to cut your cap, so that the cap does not roll back once you start to cut it. I did about 3 layers of applying the spray and then drying it. I don't know if that's required, but I did it anyway. I didn't want the cap to go anywhere and I was scared, so that's what I did. Here I've already cut the front of the cap off. Now I'm just going back to trim the little pieces that are sticking up. Now I paused it here. Guys, please don't use big scissors like that like I did, because it was very difficult. Use some thin scissors to do this part. Okay, I've added the Got To Be glue in the yellow bottle to the front of the cap. I think I added too much, so don't make that same mistake. I didn't really have anything to apply it in a thin layer, so I tried the best I could. And I'm just blow drying it a little bit on cool so that it can get a little tacky before I put the wig on. My face pretty much sums up how I was feeling at that moment. I knew I added too much glue to my hairline and it was messed up. So I didn't know how I was gonna fix this, but I just put the wig on and just waited for it to dry. After a little bit of work, I was able to get it looking like this. It's not too bad. I don't really know how to do baby hairs, and I was really only able to do the left side of my head because I'm left-handed, and I tried to do the swoops on the right side, but it didn't work out. So yeah, it's looking how it's looking. I just need to go back and clean it up a little bit to get some of that glue from around my hairline and get some of that hairspray from around my hairline.